Here we have one example of a bench scope that you can get. This one I really like because it has an arm on it, which allows you to move it all around your bench. So if you're trying to get some work done, you need to get out of the way. You can just push it up against the wall. It has eye guards on the lenses to be soft on your eyes. It has fine-tune adjustments and rough adjustments, so you can focus really well. Also, the lenses themselves have fine-tune adjustments. It goes from 7 to 45 times zoom. Attaches directly to your bench, and yeah, I mean, it's a pretty basic setup. This I use pretty much every single day with stone setting and even detail work on my jewelry. So if you're looking to get really precise with your work, I recommend looking into one of these. If you want to see more tools of the jewelry trade, advanced and beginners, head on down to one of the links below. And thank you for watching.